Guys, don't sleep on this opportunity because 2026 is creating a different pathway for many foreign workers. What if I told you that several major Canadian companies are actively recruiting international workers through programs that don't always require the traditional LMIA process? Mind-blowing, right? Today, I'm going to show you 5 Canadian companies hiring foreign workers in 2026, the sectors they're recruiting from, salary expectations, eligibility requirements, and the exact roadmap you can follow. Stay until the end because the 5th company could be the most accessible option for people without a degree. Canada has a major labor shortage. At the same time, businesses continue expanding. Hospitals need staff. Construction companies need workers. Manufacturing facilities need employees. Transportation companies need drivers. Food processing companies need laborers. That's why Canada continues using immigration as a solution to support economic growth. This creates opportunities for foreign workers who are ready to take action. Instead of applying randomly, you target sectors that Canada actually needs. Now let's look at the companies. 1. Maple Leaf Foods. Maple Leaf Foods regularly hires workers in food production and processing. Popular roles include production worker, packaging associate, sanitation worker, machine operator. Salary range, $18 to $28 per hour. Annual earnings can reach $38,000 to $58,000 plus. These jobs often value reliability and work ethic more than academic qualifications. 2. JBS Canada. JBS Canada continues to recruit workers in production-related positions. Popular roles include general laborer, production team member, warehouse worker, processing assistant. Salary range, $19 to $30 per hour. Annual earnings, $40,000 to $62,000 plus. Many positions provide training after hiring. 3. Sierra Construction Group. Construction remains one of Canada's biggest labor shortage sectors. Popular positions include construction laborer, concrete worker, site assistant, equipment operator. Salary range, $25 to $45 per hour. Annual earnings, $52,000 to $90,000 plus. Some experienced workers earn even more through overtime. 4. Seaspan. Seaspan operates major shipbuilding projects. Popular roles include welder, pipe fitter, electrician, production technician. Salary range, $30 to $50 per hour. Annual earnings, $60,000 to $100,000 plus. This sector offers some of the highest wages available. 5. Cargill Canada. This is the company many viewers will find interesting. Popular roles include warehouse associate, production employee, packaging assistant, logistics support worker. Salary range, $18 to $32 per hour. Annual earnings, $38,000 to $65,000 plus. Some positions do not require a university degree, making them accessible to many international applicants. Eligibility. 1. A valid passport. This is non-negotiable. 2. Basic English or French ability. Many employers want workers who can communicate effectively. 3. A professional CV. Your CV should follow Canadian standards. 4. Relevant work experience. Even 6 months to 1 year can strengthen your application significantly. 5. Age suitability. Many successful applicants fall within the active working age range. And here's the important part. No degree needed for many warehouse, production, food processing, and labor positions. Your skills and experience often matter more. Step-by-step plan. 1. Prepare a Canadian-style CV. Focus on achievements, skills, and work history. Keep it clean and professional. 2. Apply through official company career pages. Avoid unofficial agents demanding large upfront payments. 3. Attend interviews professionally. Research the company. Practice common interview questions. Demonstrate reliability and willingness to learn. 4. Receive an employment offer. Some employers recruit through LMIA exempt programs or pathways linked to specific immigration streams. 5. Work permit processing. Follow official instructions and submit accurate documentation. Guys, Canada continues looking for workers across multiple industries, and many opportunities exist for people who are willing to prepare properly and apply strategically. Now I want to hear from you. Which country are you watching from? And which sector interests you most? If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future opportunities. Remember, don't sleep on opportunities while others are taking action. Your move abroad journey could start with one application. I'll see you in the next video.